The project module is used to maintain projects and sub-projects at unlimited levels to allow transaction entries and reports by project. To perform project maintenance, go to General Maintenance and click Project Maintenance. Click on a new top-level project to add a main project. Then, key in the project name and the description. Click to highlight a main project and click on New Subproject to add a subproject to it. It is to be noted that a top-level project, which is the parent project, carries subprojects, which is the child projects, must not have transaction entries. All entries must be assigned to a child project, as all entries in child project will be summarized to their parent projects in report. So now, I'll create another child project. So once done, you can start by performing transactions. In transaction or billing, you will notice that the project view column will appear in all types of transactions. For example, if we go to sales and click invoice and create a new invoice, if we create new invoice, we are able to see a new column called project number. So now we'll just add adapter and add items. Under the project number column, we are able to select the subprojects that we want to include. So for example, P1A. If we click P1A, we are able to see this is the project number, and this will be the parent project, which is the P1. So select P1A. Once done, click Save. Most of the reports can be filtered by projects. To do that, first, go to GL and click on Project Department Profit Margin Report. Click Inquiry. Here, you will be able to see the report generated. If you can see here, P1A has income about 50 ringgit, which is directly contributing to the main project. The income of P1A and P12 would be the total income of P1.